There you go. That's perfect.
Okay. Let's try to pull some of that, more of that solder off the board right there.
Oh yeah. If you look at it on the side,
Here, I'll hold the board, but you got to hold that, and you got to hold the iron too. It's tricky, isn't it?
Going up the wire just a little bit, and then kind of does this down on the pad. That's perfect. Yeah, that's good. You're doing good.
You're gonna have to apply some heat.
All right. Now we're gonna go put some resistors in.
So you got to try to get that copper piece flat on that board,
a resistor,
so that it's touching it.
I don't think it's listed as R9. Now, resistors have colors on them. So if you find R9,
move on to that next pad. There's a little bit more down there than there is on the one you're working on. Here, let's move down to this. Oh, you got to put the iron back on it to get it off.
What are the colors on?
Hold it there. There you go. Try working on those two right there.
Yeah, it's above the, yeah, because it's the right colors, right? It's brown, black, and orange, and then kind of tan, green. And it says right here, it's brown.
There you go. That's a good one. You got to put the iron back on it now.
And gold.